Before I begin, I invite you to pause, not just with your ears, but with your heart. This poem is called Beyond Bias, Fostering Unity for Inclusivity. It was born from the tension between what divides us and what could unite us if we dared to look deeper. In a world where labels often speak louder than listening, where assumptions blur the truth of someone's life experience, this piece is a call to remember. Unity is not sameness, and inclusivity is not silence. We wrote this not to offer easy answers, but to challenge the comfort of unchecked bias, to ask, what does it mean to truly see someone? To honor their dignity, even when their story is different from ours. Beyond Bias, Fostering Unity for Inclusivity. Equality lives in diversity. Without it, respect didn't exist. Biased society shouldn't be promoted. Instead, it should be enlisted. We people should learn to accept and respect each other. We all have gifts that makes us true. Different skills, but all shine through. For in our differences, there's room for all. People should accept and respect our differences, because we are like colors said. Different shades and palettes stands out through its uniqueness. Everyone is different in many aspects, but one must not reject and disrespect. Embracing diversity leads to unity. Together, we can make a better society. With acceptance, we all belong. No one left behind, we rise strong. Sharing peace for who we are, building hope that heals each scar. Let's build a world where fairness leads the way, where open hearts greet each new day. For when we see the light in every soul, we find our strength and all are made whole. Let's end the stigma. The solution is in our hands. Together and diverse, we can be as one. Now and then, we fight for the right. Different person, but has one shout. Acceptance and celebration, not for cloud.